Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about files in C language. We can create and write anything in a txt file or any other type of file using C language. We can also read the data written in file using C. So today we are going to learn how we can do all these. Here is an example to show how we can do this. I have created one ch character type, and this is a file pointer of file type. This stores the location of the file we are using. Okay, here we have just written the command for the user. This command will do what? Fopen will open a file of name a.txt with w mode. W means write mode. We can use any other mode like read mode, write mode, append mode, and many other. If this name of file is not available, then what it will do, it will create the file of the same name and then write in it. Okay, now what I am doing here, I am just taking a character from the user till we don't get the one. We have written one here so that we can quit our file. Okay, and after that we have written here f put c chfp. F put c will do what? It will put the characters we are getting from the user into the file. Here is the file pointer and here is the character we want to insert into the file. Okay, and then f close will close the file of which we have written file pointer. Okay, in this we have created a file and written data in the file, and now we want to read what is written in the file. Okay, just a command or output to show user that now we are going to show what is written in the file. Here we have opened the file from the same with read mode. Now we want to just read the data. Okay, while ch is equal to f get c, get character, f for file, get character from the file which is pointed by fp, and put it in the ch till eof, that is end of file, is not detected. It will get the character from the file which is pointed by the fp file pointer, put it into the ch. Okay, then it will print f will print the character which we are getting from the file, and at last we are closing the file. So now let us take a look at its output. Right here the file, right here in file name a and write 1 to exit. When we will write 1, it will get exit. I am writing I 1. Okay, text written in file is love C language. Okay, this is all about files. Thank you very much.